Shift Research Lab is committed to serving Colorado's low-income communities by providing data and analysis to organizations that are driving social change. The Early Care and Education Map's accessibility measure is a new indicator we created to identify a community's access to ECE facilities across Metro Denver's 7 counties. The data collected answers a complicated question: how far do families travel when choosing a particular ECE? Many times, these choices are based on factors we cannot account for, such as choosing an ECE that is closer to work than home. Also, enrollment data isn't reported to a centralized authority, like the Department of Education. So here's what we did. We used third-party data to track cell phone GPS coordinates and identify travel patterns to ECEs. To ensure our data was reliable, we partnered with the Denver Preschool Program, cross-referencing our findings with their enrollment data. The data checked out, but we needed to put parameters on what we found. By looking at the radius distance families traveled to an ECE facility from their home community, we were able to narrow down the numbers. Within this radius, the 50th percentile represented a typical commute. Families traveling within this cutoff became our focus. We found that 2 main factors affected their commute to an ECE: income level and development patterns. We did some hard math, calculating the number of children 0 to 5 in a home community and the proportion of ECE facilities that served them. From here, we assigned a value to each community across Metro Denver. The lower the number, the greater the need for an ECE facility. The Early Care and Education Map is a tool that will help funders, policymakers, and advocates better understand the existing landscape of early care and education providers. Shift Research Lab continues to make local data actionable, improving communities for all families.